Hi, this is Supriya and welcome to Supriya Unscripted, where I am building coding skills alongside college. Currently, I am in the second semester of CSE and I wanted to share what actually I am studying right now in both college and by my own. Because I don't want to depend only on the syllabus, I want to build the real skills. Currently, we have started C++ in college because last semester we have studied C language. So now C++ feels like the continuation but in the different manner. Object-oriented programming is something which I am still understanding deeply. Concepts like classes and objects feels very interesting, but it requires a lot of practice to understand, not only theories. I want to understand logics, not to write code only for marks. Because I know that logics matters more than syntax. In college, we have also started HTML recently, but the interesting part is I have already completed HTML before. So now in college I am revising the concepts which I had studied along with classes. But I didn't stop here. Since I am interested in web development, so I started learning CSS and slowly moving towards JavaScript on my own. College is helping me to strengthen my basic, but I am pushing myself a little ahead, not very fast, no rushing, just steady progress. Along with this, I have also started studying Python for data science. Currently, I am focusing more on basics like variables, loops, and functions. I'm not trying to jump into advanced topics. I have realized something important, that strong fundamentals make everything easier later. Sometimes I do feel that I am learning too much at once. C++ in college, HTML, revision, Python for data science, CSS, JavaScript by my own. I can feel overwhelming, but instead of thinking this is too much, I think that this is my building phase. This is the time to explore, experiment, and understand what I truly enjoy. Right now my focus is simple: clear fundamentals, daily small practices, no rushing, no comparing, no tutorial hopping. I'm not trying to be perfect this semester. I am trying to better than last semester. I know that I am still at beginning, but I also know that if I stay consistent with these small steps, 1 year from now, I will be the different person. Not because I did something dramatic, but because I showed up quietly every day. And I think this is how the real growth happens. I'm still learning, I'm still improving, and I will see you in the next one.